Tip number one, monitor your CPU, memory, and disk space. So your control system you've designed is presumably monitoring or controlling some part of your plant. But lots of people forget to monitor the control system itself. What if you run out of disk space? What if you're running high in memory? You've got a memory leak or something. So we have the ability to do this built right there into VTScada. Excuse me. And I'm going to show you how that's done. So there'll be a lot of flipping between VTScada and PowerPoint here. I can make these change sets available so you can see afterwards if you can't quite see what's going on. Now, I'm going to have to, I think, duplicate my screen, Dave, if that's going to cause a problem with your video. I hope not. So if I duplicate my screen here, you can see VTScada running, and I've got a few things. So right built into VTScada, we have a workstation driver tag. It's one of the tag types. If you go into all tag types, and you can scroll down to workstation. You'll find that there, OpenQRSTUVW, get my there, down the bottom. Workstation driver tag. And there's a number of different properties that you can monitor right in there. So I've created an I/O and calculation tag, and here I'm monitoring the average CPU, the system CPU. So I can actually get a poll of the CPU performance. And what's neat about the workstation tag is you can configure it to be either the local machine that you're working on or a named workstation. So if you have dual servers or redundant servers, you have the ability to monitor your entire network through VTScada. If I just go back to here, some of the things that I can monitor are things like battery level. So if you're running on a laptop without power, as I am at the moment, then the battery status level. That could also be your server if you're running on a UPS system, if it fails over to battery backup. So you can get an alert. You can alarm on these things. So you can monitor your disk space, and you can set an alert should you decide that you see that you're running out of disk space, an alarm on that, get a notification right through. You can log this as well, so you can see trends. So I've seen people use this to monitor system CPU, and they're seeing high CPU overnight or at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it's when lots of reports were being run and be able to monitor their system. So that's tip number one. Monitor your own system.